Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the 2024 Solar Ultrasonic in Repellent Defender. This is the best rabbit and squirrel repellent available in the market, so let's dive right in. The 2024 Solar Ultrasonic in Repellent Defender is a state-of-the-art animal repellent that uses ultrasonic technology to keep pests away from your home and garden. It features an upgraded design with a motion detection sensor that triggers a powerful ultrasonic wave and alarm sound to deter animals such as rats, squirrels, deer, raccoons, skunks, rabbits, moles, dogs, and cats. The built-in motion detection sensor has a 110-degree angle and a 20 to 25-yard distance range for maximum performance. The device is eco-friendly with a dual recharging option, using a top solar panel to capture the sun's energy. Made of high-grade ABS plastic, the repellent is waterproof and suitable for harsh weather conditions. It emits 13.5 kHz to 45.5 kHz ultrasound to drive away animals without any harm to humans or pets. Easy to install with multiple mounting options for walls, fences, or simply inserting into the ground. In conclusion, the 2024 Solar Ultrasonic in Repellent Defender is a great choice for keeping pests away from your property. Its innovative design, eco-friendly features, and easy installation make it a top contender in the market. If you're looking to protect your home and garden from unwanted animals, this repellent is worth considering. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned for our next video.